Hey friends, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got an exciting video for you. I hope you don't get sick of me saying that every time I share a video. I'm excited for this one though. It is a Project Life layout and I haven't shared one of those in a long time. So today I'm going to be working with my April Citrus Twist kits. I am on their design team and yeah, just playing around with these kits because they are gorgeous. If you have not seen the unboxing video for this month on my channel, go check it out. The colors this month are extraordinary and the lighting is a little bit better in that video, so you can actually see the detail in a lot of these cards and patterns a lot more clearly. But I was working with a cloudy, overcasty day where the sun kept popping out and then going away, so the lighting changes a few times throughout this video, and I hope you will just bear with me, please. So I'm working with my kit this month, and I am working in my 2018 Project Life album. I am not doing Project Life in 2019. I have a video on my channel talking all about why I quit Project Life this year and the decision behind it, and the fact that this is the first time I've made time to work on my past Project Life albums, which still need catching up on, and it's the first time this year that I've made time to do it, makes me really confident in the decision that I made to not do it at all this year. So working on catching up on last year's album, I have these photos from when I went down to Florida to meet my baby niece for the first time after she was born last year. She's 6 weeks old in these photos. And they're just so lovely. I love the colors. There's so many whites and grays and pinks on that beautiful bedding she's laying on. And yeah, just loving all of the colors. And then there's a photo of me and a cat up there, and it's a white and gray cat. And again, staying true within those same colors. I picked 2 of the Project Life cards out of the kit this month, and then the other one, the polka dotted one, I actually cut that down from one of the 6x8 pattern papers in the kit this month, and gonna play around with a couple of the chipboards and lots of the stamps and embellishments for this layout. I'm working with a cold right now and I'm on vacation in Florida visiting my family, so this voiceover sounds a lot different. There's a slightly different background noise, my voice is off, and I'm kind of congested, so I'm sorry for that, but I definitely wanted to keep sharing all of this stuff with you guys, and yeah, catch up on all of these videos I have to edit and share with you because I have so many. So yeah, here's what it is looking like right now. I cut out 2 of the labels that came in the kit this month, the pink and the gray, and then I actually took a card from last month, the information card about the kit last month, and I cut out the phrases on it. And the phrase on it, I think it said, you are life's greatest chapter, and I thought that was lovely and just a great phrase for a baby. So I cut that out and I put that on top of one of my labels, and I used double-sided tape to tape it all together, but later I will come back with some staples to decorate it. And on the top picture of the baby, I use a few different stamps, 3 different stamps, and I put down some cute phrases there. I really wanted my 2018 Project Life album to be a lot more flat than previous years. In previous years, I had super embellished layouts, and the albums ended up so chunky. Sometimes I would end up with 2 albums a year. For last year's album, I really tried to keep my pages flat and narrow down my photo selection so that I could fit everything into one 9x12 album for the year. And we'll see how that goes. Right now, I'm still documenting March of last year, so I've got a long way to go. I am putting some thread on this page here on that cute little card, the polka dotted one. I just love it. I thought that label pocket needed a little bit more interest, and thread is not super stiff or thick. So I added that there. And then I do add a little chipboard piece here, and I thought about peeling the background layers. If you watched my most recent Traveler's Notebook process video, which I shared the other day, you would see that I peeled off the background layers of the chipboard, and that makes it a lot more flat and easier for these projects where you want your pages to be flat. But in this layout, I wanted to attach that chipboard piece to the top of the plastic page protector. I didn't want to put it directly on my photo. So because of that, I just kept all of the dimension to it because it came with a sticky background. So I just used that sticky background. Now that I feel pretty good about my embellishing thus far, I try out a couple of different pens there you could see on the screen, trying to figure out which one had a good weight to use with this page. I didn't want one that was too thick because there aren't any really good blacks on this page. Everything has a lot of gray and pastel-y colors. So I chose this thinner black pen. I'm liking how that's looking. I had some journaling there, and of course I underline it afterwards. That's something I like to do occasionally, particularly if I'm not loving my handwriting on a page. I will go back and underline it. And you can see I added a really cute stamp that says all heart to that bottom photograph, but it ended up really crooked and like wavy. I don't know, it ended up all messed up. So I stamped it a couple more times onto white cardstock, cut it out, and then used my stapler to attach it to my photograph and cover up that little mistake with the same exact thing that I had originally intended to be there. I am going to add journaling to this other card here and underline that too. Again, it's really hard to see the colors with the lighting keep changing. You know, the weather in Charlotte, we gotta deal with it, and I use natural light for my videos, so if the sun goes behind a cloud, it gets darker, and then if it gets really bright all of a sudden, it gets brighter. And I try to do my best for you guys, and I hope that it inspires you to get creative. I just love all of the colors in this layout. I think it's so lovely and feminine and perfect for documenting my baby niece, and yeah, beautiful. Loving this month's Citrus Twist Kits. If you guys want to get crafty with me and learn my favorite techniques for documenting your story while practicing self-love, check out my crafty e-courses. I will link them down below, and also check out Citrus Twist Kits. If you like this kit, it is gorgeous. The colors are just fantastic. And I show you at the end of the video here what some of those cards look like outside of the page protectors. As you can see, it's a lot more crisp and beautiful, and you can see the detail a lot better, but the shine from the page protector kind of limits the detail you can see. So I do add a photo here at the end. I hope you enjoy, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!